In this video, we'll walk you through how to generate financial reports based on previous transactions, with a focus on debtor and creditor reporting. Let's begin by navigating to the Reports section under Accounting on the side panel. Under Reports, you'll find options for both debtor aging and creditor aging. The debtor aging report shows the amount owed by your customers, categorized by how long each invoice has remained unpaid. Likewise, the creditor aging report displays the amounts your company owes to suppliers, also categorized by how overdue the payments are. To generate a report, first select the date for which you want to run the aging summary. Then define your filters and options. These settings will determine what data appears and how it's presented in your report. Once you're ready, click Inquiry to generate the report. To view more details for a specific entry, click the down arrow next to the debtor or creditor code. You can also untick the Master Detail View option to merge master and detail entries into a single line per transaction. Simply click on Print Report if you would like to export or print the statement. Next, let's look at the debtor and creditor statements. Unlike aging reports, statements reflect all transactions related to a specific customer or supplier within a defined period. To access this, click on either debtor or creditor statement under Reports in the Accounting section. Select the date range for the statement and define your filters and options. For this example, we'll keep the settings simple. Click Inquiry to generate the statement report. Just like with the aging reports, you can expand each entry by clicking the down arrow next to the relevant code. If you want to send these statements to your respective customer, you can make use of our Send Statement function where it will send the report directly to your customer's email. By doing so, you can save plenty of time compared to converting each statement into PDF format and sending it out manually. To print or export the statement, click on Print Report. That is how you generate creditor and debtor-related statements on AutoCount Cloud Accounting.